Might be hot, Haley. Yep. Hudson, what are you watching?
Cars. Cars.
What kind of cars?
Oh, it's this one. Remember we didn't like this one?
I remember you guys were a little scared on that one, weren't you?
Oh. We were a little bit scared, Daddy.
Just a little bit. But I bet you next time you'd like it.
When we're bigger, we will.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What's this place?
Remember where that was?
Oh, McDonald's.
That's right.
On McDonald's, Teddy. Here it is. I liked this one.
Climbing?
Yeah, I liked the climbing one.